In this video, I'll show you how to set up Shopify shipping and delivery settings. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. This is the main section where you control how your store handles shipping, local delivery, and local pickup. Start by checking your shipping profiles. A shipping profile lets you apply different shipping rules to different products. For example, you might want one profile for standard products, another for heavier items, and another for products that ship from a different location. If your store is simple, the default general profile may be enough. Next, review your shipping zones. These are the countries, states, or regions where you want to deliver orders. You need to make sure the right locations are included, otherwise customers in those areas may not see any shipping options at checkout. After that, create your shipping rates. You can set flat rates, free shipping, or carrier-calculated rates if your plan supports them. Flat rates are easier to manage, free shipping can help with conversions, and carrier rates can give customers a more accurate cost based on package size, weight, and destination. If you want to offer local delivery or local pickup, scroll down to the additional delivery methods and turn those on for the correct location. This is a great option if you sell locally and want to give customers more flexibility. Once your rates are in place, test your checkout using different products and delivery addresses. This helps you make sure the right rates appear correctly. If shipping doesn't show up, the issue is usually tied to the shipping zone, product profile, or fulfillment location. Take a few extra minutes to review package sizes, product weights, and warehouse locations too, because these settings can also affect how shipping behaves. That's how to set up Shopify shipping and delivery settings. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.